Turtle Wax Max Power. I'm going to use, I think, 7 ounces a gallon. I got about 3 gallons here. So each one of these markings is 3 ounces. So I'm going to go down 7 markings. That's about 21 ounces. Here we are. I got foam cannon. I have the turtle wax in here, and I also put some Mr. Pink just to make the foam a little better. And then begin the wash. The car is clean now and still wet. I'm going to go ahead and use the Rapid Decon. As you can see, there's some iron contamination here. Let that dwell for a couple minutes because it's nice and cool out, and then rinse it off. I think the paint will be nice and smooth after that. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. I'm going to go rinse it off now. You got some Adams graphene tire dressing. Some people don't like to spray it on. Some people do. The rehydra sheet, quick detailer for the wheel. We'll knock the tire shine a little bit, even it out. I have this Apex surface protection rehydra sheet. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the paint. It's mixed down to about 2 to 1. A quick detailer. And this should help it sheet and bead a little. Apply it to the glass here as well. If you like the content, go ahead and hit that like button. It's free, and feel free to subscribe.